morning, sir.
Morning.
How you doing?
Okay, but it's still early.
Yeah, it is. It is a bit early. It's almost 9 o'clock out here, guys. I've been out here since 7:30, I believe.
There's a big one.
Here's a Scat Pack FIFA right here. Scat Pack FIFA. I'm a big Ted Nugent fan, guys. I call it Scat Pack FIFA. Scat, S-C-A-T, Pack, P-A-C-K. Scat Pack FIFA. Here's a R8 Audi right here. That white one right there. Check out this Audi got here. V10 engine. What is that, man? Check that out. Ooh, what's up, brother? It's beautiful, man. R8. Listen to that thing.